Hello dear subscribers, Delta. So how to use closures in Swift. So here you can see it, some closure. So here you can see function. So it's also use escaping and our closure. So it means escaping means that actually we are using our closure after the function is will be completed. So actually here you can see dispatch global async. So it just means that we will just use it with async operation. So after here you can see dispatch queue main async. So it means that we will call our closure on the main thread. So actually here you can see how we can use it. So we just need to call our function. So here you can see it, and in result we will receive this one completion data. So if we will write result, we will just write what we received here. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.